Prince Harry and Meghan Markle made a decision to step down as senior working royals in 2020 and left to begin a post-royal life in the US. The departure escalated tensions in the couple's relationships with other members of the royal family, particularly between Harry and his father, Prince Charles. The Prince of Wales was reportedly present during the Sussexes UK pitstop to see the Queen at Windsor Castle earlier this month, but royal reporter Richard Palmer claims that father and son still have a long way to go in order to repair their relationship. Speaking to the Royal Roundup's host Pandora Forsyth about Harry's NBC Today interview, Mr. Palmer said, Harry, was asked whether he was missing his father and his brother. He completely sidestepped that question. Mr. Palmer added, "You could say that William was asked, as he left a royal engagement, about this whole thing and again, sidestepped it. You could say he didn't face the same sort of grilling from the media afterwards that Harry did. I do think it was significant that if they really were mending fences, I think it would have been easy to say, yes, you know, I love my brother and I love my father and I'm looking forward to seeing them soon, but Harry, completely just sidestepped the question." He claimed that if the Duke of Sussex and the Duke of Cambridge were rebuilding their relationship, it would have been easy to point that out rather than avoiding the question altogether. He concluded, "The signs are at the moment that although Harry and Meghan met Charles and Camilla for a short time at Windsor, there's still a long to go yet before they ever really repair their relationship."